Hello guys, this is Bob8118 here with the landing of a Malaysia Airlines 747-400 landing at Honolulu International Airport. As you can see, it's a pretty fast approach. The pilot's coming in pretty fast, so therefore he has to apply the speed brakes quite a bit. So watch as speed brakes will deploy many times. Pretty low approach too. Speed brakes. And touchdown. Speed brakes. Reverse thrust. I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more FSX videos. Alright, 60 knots. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Close this out. Bob8118 signing off.